Welcome back, students of class 3 to your e-learning class. Today, as you know, I will take your science class once again. In our previous class, we have solved the exercise of this chapter number 6, parts of a plant. So today I will continue with the same chapter. Today we will solve the very short answer question. Okay, that is very short answer question. This is from page number 42 in your science book. So all of you must follow the book, that is page number 42 in your science book, and you must have your science notebook, means science copy, with you to write the answers. So let me start here. This is your very short answer question. Very short answer question. Okay. First question. First, let me read it out. Name one plant whose flowers are eaten as food. Name one plant whose flowers are eaten as food. So I will write the question now. Name one plant whose flowers are eaten as food. Okay, so the answer is, what is the answer? The answer will be cauliflower or broccoli, you can write. So I will write the answer here. A plant whose flowers are eaten as food is cauliflower. Okay, spelling is cauliflower, cauliflower. Okay, now coming to the second question. Name two stems that we eat. Name two stems that we eat. Let me write the question here. Name two stems that we eat. Okay. Now the answer is two stems that we eat are potato and ginger. Potato and ginger. You can underline the word potato and ginger. Okay. Okay. Now next question. Question number 3. Name any 3 plants having taproot. Name any 3 plants. Name any 3 plants having taproot. Name any 3 plants having taproot. Okay, the answer is three plants having taproot are three plants having taproot are P, I will underline P, then balsam, 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 and carrot, CARROT, carrot. So three plants having taproot, are P, balsam, 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 and carrot. Okay. Now next question, question number 4 now. What is the question? Let me read it out. Name any two fruits having only one seed. Name any two fruits having only one seed. Okay. So the answer is, name any two fruits having only one seed. Answer: two fruits having only one seed are mango and peach. You underline peach and mango. Mango and peach. Okay. Now the last question of this section, very short answer question. Last question is, where is the food for the baby plant stored? Okay, so to write this one, I have to wrap question number 1. Let me erase question number 1 here. Question number 1 and the answer, I will erase it. Okay, I have erased this one. I think we have already completed. So question number 5 is, question number 5 is, where is the food for the baby plant stored? Where is the food for the baby plant stored? Where is the food for the baby plant stored? Okay. Answer: the food for the baby plant is stored The food for the baby plant is stored in the seed. You underline seed. The food for the baby plant is stored in the seed. So students, today we have completed very short answer question, that is section E, very short answer question from the exercise of